Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Hard Design Co. I just want to do a quick video tutorial to show you how to use my new animated tumbler mockup bundle with the animated tumbler and the single wrap display with design display and the full wrap display. Okay, so when you get your file, they're going to be two PDFs, one for the animation and then one for the single and full wrap tumblers. Okay, this is the animation tumbler. Um, you can change your background. You can drag and drop your background. Um, just drop there, and then there are two placeholders for your images, frames 1 and 2 for the full 360 wrap display. Okay, and you will just drag and drop your image into the frames, and it works best for the 9.3 by 8.2 inch designs because that's what it was created for a seamless design. Okay, and then there are two guides here to help you to line up your line it up to the edge of the tumbler. The animation is preset, so once you're done, you're going to go to position and move the frames behind the background. Okay, and it is a 10-second video. You just press play. And this page here is just some written instructions about how to use the template. Okay. Oh, let me go back. Once you're done, if you're satisfied with everything, you'll just go to download and you can decrease the size or increase it as needed. Um, And if you duplicate the file, you just go to the page that you would like to download, and that's it. Make sure you download it as an MP4. Okay, let me close that one. Let me go back to this one. Okay, and this is a single wrap. There is also an optional shade layer that you can use to add additional shade to the sides. Okay. Just drop your design there and just drag and drop. And let's go here. There's also an optional shade layer that you can add above to um, for additional shading. You can also change your background. Let's see here, position, move that on top, and you can adjust the transparency as needed. Okay. And so let's see. And you don't have to detach you can just add images onto the frames. You don't have to remove the images. It'll just automatically replace. Okay. Okay, this one has a shade layer over it. And the shade layer is optional. You don't have to use it. I just included it. Okay, because it already has some highlights and shading on the tumbler, but I just added additional shading for people who would like that. And you can just change your background by adding a new background. Let's see, did I make this? Okay, I probably will add a frame to the back for people that just want to drag and drop. Or you can just place your own background behind the tumbler. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can message